Hey everyone, this is a super special episode of Silly Science with Simon. The Wild Adventure Girls have sent me the Crazy Christmas Cake Charity Challenge. The idea of this challenge is to decorate a cake and then smash it into your face, with all of the money raised going to two great charities. And of course, I'll be doing a little bit of science along the way. Are you ready? Then let's get scienced. The first part of the challenge is to decorate a cake. I'm gonna eat what I make, so I'm gonna use a cupcake. Whoa! Now I'm gonna cover it with a bit of whipped cream. I'm gonna add some mini M&Ms to make it look awesome. And there it is, all ready to be smashed in my face. But first, some science. I'm adding a few candles to the cupcake and setting them on fire. Awesome! In this empty sauce bottle, I've put some icing sugar. I'm gonna blow it over the candles. Whoa! So what's happening? For fire to occur, it needs three things: fuel, heat, and oxygen. A pile of icing sugar, a fuel, is surrounded by air, which contains oxygen. But when we add a lit match to it, it doesn't catch on fire. That's because there's only a small amount of oxygen touching our fuel. Blowing the icing sugar out of the bottle spreads it around in the air, allowing more of it to come in contact with oxygen. It's then more likely to catch on fire when it goes through the candles. Always ask for an adult's help when using matches, and keep it away from things that can catch on fire. Simon says that only an adult should do this experiment. Now back to the challenge. The second part of the challenge is to smash the cake into my face. Remember, this is to raise money for two great charities, the Children's Miracle Network and Waterboys. Check out the description below for more information and for links for where you can donate. Okay, here goes. Close the lid. Thanks for watching and donating. I'll see you next time on Silly Science with Simon.